Let's explore the Drawing Layout tool, where you can create professional presentation documents and specification sheets using the exact information you want to share with your clients. To access Drawing Layout, go to the Presentation ribbon and select Drawing Layout, or use the Show Drawing Layout button from the Quick Access toolbar. You'll first be prompted to choose a layout template, which determines how your content will be organized on the page. Drawing layouts can include a variety of elements, such as floor plans, elevations, item lists, saved renderings, isometric views, images, and custom graphics. To add content to a frame, simply right-click within the frame and select the type of information you'd like to display. You can create multiple layout pages, customize each one to highlight different aspects of your design, and easily switch back to the floor plan or item list while continuing to work. Drawing Layout provides a flexible way to transform your design into polished, presentation-ready documentation. When your presentation is complete, use the print options to generate professional documents ready to share with clients, installers, or project stakeholders.